Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise Man, and today I will give you the review of this Indulgence Tealight set of 50, and it is having the sandalwood scent from Pan Emirates. Okay, so this is from Pan Emirates scented candles. Okay, it has burning time of 2.5 hours, so it will burn up to about 180 minutes. I think 2 hours. Yeah, it will burn up about 180 minutes, so 2.5 hours it has burning time. Okay, so this set has 50 tea light candles, and let's open it and see if the smell is coming or not. Okay, so I have taken one of the tea candles out from it, and let's burn this. Actually, I am getting the smell from this unburnt tea light candle. Okay, so it is burning quite with a low flame. Let me show you this thing. So as you can see now, it is burning with a very quite low flame, but now as it is the wax is melting, it is gaining some of the flame height, so that's nice. I say but if I consider its scent, the scent is not coming at all, so there is no scenting effect or kind of sandalwood for this case. Okay, so there is no smell, no scent is coming from this while burning this tea light. Okay, so that's quite disappointment I can feel from this Pan Emirates. So it says that it says it is scented tea light having the sandalwood kind of scent, but the smell is not coming, so that's one of the disappointment. And let's see whether it will work for 2.5 hours. I think it will work because I have similar kind of tea light from Pan Emirates which is unscented, and it has worked about 2 hours, more than 2 hours. So working hours is fine, but scent is not coming. So that's the review. If you like the review, hit the like button and subscribe my channel to Wise Man. Thank you.